Good afternoon, Bacon. Good afternoon, Aim. Good afternoon, Guy. Good afternoon, Panda. You'll have lunch after this class, right? Mm-hmm. Are you guys hungry? Yes. Very hungry, right? You want to eat what? Elephant? Can you guys stop it, please? Okay, so I will first check the attendance. Kaut? Is Kaut here? Kahoot, absent, right? Not here. Omsin. Oopsie. Omsin is present. Chivik. Guy. Is Guy here? No, right. Guy is online, okay. Sweet. Sweet. Absent, right? Okay. Stung. Stung. Not here, right? Spy. Is Spy online? Kim. Kim. Oh, Pai in toilet? Okay. Kim. Aim.
Present.
Okay. Put. Bacon.
Present.
Akria. Panda.
Present.
Panda is present here. Anda. Anda. All right. Shampoo. Who's present, right? Kaupan.
Present.
All right.
Present.
Okay, Jing. JJ. Obama. Sina. All right. Have I missed anyone? Online student, have I missed your name? No one, right? So I'm going to stop sharing the screen now. So today we will start with new chapter, everyone. In our last class, I reviewed, right? But this time, I'm going to start with new chapter. It's about atmosphere. Atmosphere and weather, chapter 7. Please turn to page 89. Everyone, turn to page 89. Turn here. Page 89. Where is your book? Where's your book? Yours also? Yours also? Why? Is someone studying at home? You know that you have science class today, right? Is your sister studying your book? Online students, please turn to page 89. We're going to start with new chapter. It's chapter 7, Atmosphere and Weather. So I'll be sharing my screen, everyone. Okay, I can see Kim joining the class. Okay. Hold on. Okay, it's chapter 7, Weather, Atmosphere and Weather. I will be asking you guys questions. Okay, so please listen carefully. Okay, so our topic for today's class will be the atmosphere, all right? Our only focus will be on atmosphere. Sit here in the front. Sit here in the front. Okay, it's about atmosphere. Okay, today's topic will be about the atmosphere. So our Earth is surrounded, okay? Our Earth is surrounded by the blanket of air known as atmosphere. So this is our Earth, and what is this? Can you see this one? This is the atmosphere, all right? So atmosphere is an air, is a blanket of air that is surrounded, okay? That surrounds our Earth is known as atmosphere. So atmosphere is made of mixture of gases, all right? What is atmosphere made of? The guy in the front? What is atmosphere made of? Okay, who can tell me the answer? Atmosphere is made of mixture of gases. Listen here, you guys. Okay, the atmosphere is made of mixture of gases, all right? So, in the atmosphere, the force of the gravity, right? They pulls and they keep the atmosphere near the Earth of the surface, near the surface of the Earth, okay? They pull what do they pull? They pull the atmosphere, all right? They pull the atmosphere towards them, okay? Understood, everyone? The force of the gravity pulls and keeps the atmosphere near the surface of the Earth. So you can see the layers, right? This atmosphere, okay, it traps the heat and keeps our Earth warm, okay? It keeps our Earth warm at night. Understand? So, the atmosphere is like a shield, okay? It's like a shield from a UV radiation. UV radiation is a sun radiation, okay? The radiation from the sun is called as UV radiation. Okay, so the atmosphere, okay, the atmosphere is like a shield, okay, from the earth. It's a shield of the earth from a UV radiation, okay. So here you can see the atmosphere is divided here, right? It's divided into 5, okay. The atmosphere of the earth is divided into 5. Okay, but here, can you see troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere? Here you can see the borders, right? You can see the borders. Actually, there is no visible borders here, all right, everyone? So here you can see the borders, but in real, there's no actual visible border there, all right? So 5 layers of Earth's atmosphere. So what are they? Bacon, can you please read the 5 layers of atmosphere? Hello, Bacon.
Yes.
Okay, can you please read the 5 layers of atmosphere, Earth's atmosphere?
Troposphere,
Mm-hmm.
Atmosphere, me,
Mesosphere,
Mesosphere,
4.
Thermosphere,
Okay, 5th.
Exosphere.
All right, very good, Bacon. Okay, Sheena, can you please read the 5 layers of the Earth's atmosphere? Louder. Mm-hmm. Thermosphere. Okay, very good. Tina, Shampoo, can you read these 5 layers of Earth's atmosphere? Thermosphere, and last is exosphere. Okay, so these are the 5 layers of the Earth's atmosphere. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Okay, so 5 of them. What are you doing? Okay, so these are the 5 layers of the Earth's atmosphere. So let's look at the first layer. The first layer is the closest layer towards the Earth. Okay, this troposphere is the closest layer towards the Earth. So let's first look at the first one, troposphere. Okay, so here in the troposphere, we live. Okay, we live in the troposphere, the layer that is closest to the ground, closest to the Earth. Okay, and it is about 10 kilometers in height. And troposphere contains 75% of the atmospheric gas. Okay, so how much is the height? Girl at the corner, how much is the height of the troposphere? What is the height of the atmospheric gases in troposphere? That one is kilometer. Oh, yes, kilometers, sorry. Kilometers, 10 kilometers. Very good. So, the height is 10 kilometers, whereas the atmosphere contains is 75%, all right? So, in the troposphere, there's the weather. In the troposphere, the weather occurs, okay, everyone? In the troposphere, the weather occurs here because this layer contains most of the water vapor. Understand, everyone? Troposphere have weather because this layer contains most of the water vapor. So what are the weathers here? In the front, what is the weather here? What are the weathers? Can you please read it? Windy. All right. So these are the weathers. Okay. In the troposphere, there is weathers, and it is about 10 kilometers in height, and 75% of it is atmospheric gases and troposphere. All right. Now let's go to the second one, which is stratosphere. Okay. So above the troposphere lies stratosphere. This is the second layer. Okay. So stratosphere extends up to 50 kilometers. Troposphere is 10 kilometers, right? Whereas stratosphere is how much? It's 50 kilometers. All right. So in the stratosphere, there is no clouds here. Okay. Clouds are in, what is it in? Is it in stratosphere or troposphere? Clouds are in troposphere. All right, everyone. So clouds and weathers, they are in troposphere. So in stratosphere, there is no cloud. It's clear. Okay. There is no cloud here. Therefore, most of the planes, okay, fly in this layer. Understood, everyone? So most of the planes fly in this air, okay, in this layer. So in troposphere, there is a thin layer of ozone. Okay, there's a thin layer of ozone. So what is ozone? This ozone layer absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays, okay, from the sun. So which is not good for our skin, okay? The ultraviolet rays, okay? It causes us sunburns, okay? This ozone layer contain the ozone layer causes sunburn and skin cancer. All right? Understood, everyone? Third one is mesosphere. Okay, so beyond the stratosphere, the air here is very cold and thin. Okay, the height is 80 kilometers. All right. I will ask you guys question later on. All right. Fourth one is thermosphere. For the mesosphere, this is only it. Okay, everyone, this is only it. So for the fourth one is thermosphere. Okay, so this thermosphere is the fourth layer from the ground. Okay, and is found between 80 kilometers to 500 kilometers. Okay, it is found between 80 kilometers to 500 kilometers. So in the thermosphere, okay, in the thermosphere, the aurora lights, right? These kinds of lights are found here. And also in the thermosphere, the space shuttle fly, okay, fly in this area. All right, everyone, the space shuttle fly in this area. And there is aurora light here. The fifth one is the furthest layer, okay? Furthest layer from the earth, okay? And it is called as exosphere. So this is a layer where the atmosphere merges into the space, okay? So here, that's why the satellites are stationed in this area. Understood, everyone? Okay, let me ask you guys a question. Okay, what is the height of troposphere? What is the height of troposphere? Aim, what is the height of troposphere? What is the height of troposphere, Aim? Yes, it's 10 kilometers. The height of the Troposphere is 10 kilometers, okay? Next one. In the troposphere, okay? What occurs in troposphere? Kim. What occurs in troposphere? What do we call these? Sunny, cloudy, stormy, windy, rainy, and snowy. What do we call this? Okay. On-site students, yes. What occurs in troposphere? What do we call this? All of them together. Weather, very good. So in the troposphere, weather occurs, okay? Because in this layer, okay, most of it contains water vapor. That's why troposphere have weather, okay? So is it a first layer, second layer? Is it a first layer or second layer? It's the first layer, all right? Second one is stratosphere. Let me ask questions. So stratosphere is the second layer, right? So in this area, there is no clouds, okay? So what flies in stratosphere? What flies in stratosphere? Let me ask this to Anda. Since there is no clouds in stratosphere, what flies in this layer? Panda?
What here?
Yes?
Oh, again, please.
In the stratosphere, there is no clouds, okay? And it's a second layer. So in stratosphere, there's something that flies in this layer. What is it? Okay, on-site student who can tell me the answer for this one. Yes. Yes, come again. Yes, the flights, right? The planes fly here. Very good. So here, since there is no cloud, okay, and the air is also still here, so most of the planes fly in this layer. Understood, everyone? Okay, and also stratosphere contains a thin layer of ozone. So what is ozone here? What is ozone here? So the word ozone here is the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun, okay? So this zone, okay, this absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. So is ultraviolet rays good for our skin or is it bad for our skin? It's bad for our skin, right? So what does it causes? Our skin causes from the sun. What causes? The skin, cancer, and sunburn, okay? Third layer was a mesosphere, right? So here in the mesosphere, the air here is very cold and it's very thin, right? And the height is up to 8 kilometers here, okay? Fourth one, thermosphere. It's the fourth layer from the ground. It is found between how many kilometers? Bacon.
Yeah.
Thermosphere is found between how many kilometers?
500.
It's found between 80 kilometers to 500 kilometers, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, next one. In the thermosphere, do you see this? This is called as aurora lights. Okay, so these aurora lights are found in thermosphere. Understood? And here, it's also the area where shuttle flies, space shuttle fly in this area, in this zone. Understood? And the last one is the fifth one, exosphere. So in the exosphere, what layer is it? Is it first, second, third, fourth, fifth? What layer is it? Exosphere. This layer is the furthest layer from the Earth. So do you think it's first, second, third, fourth, or fifth? Fifth, right? Okay, it's the fifth layer. So here, in this exosphere, the satellites are stationed in here. Okay, so what is satellites? Do you guys know what satellite is, by the way? Who knows? Who here knows what satellite is? I think you guys know, but you don't know how to explain, right? What is it? The satellites. The machine in the space, right? What will this do? Yes, it's for the Earth. It's for the study of Earth and weathers, okay? All right. So the temperature, this is the temperature, okay? Temperature of atmosphere. So the temperature of atmosphere, it varies, okay? It varies depending upon the height from the Earth, all right? So the atmosphere, it rises and it can fall through the layers of atmosphere. Understood? Do you guys understand, everyone? Understand? Okay, so with this, we are done with today's class, okay? I have work for you guys. Can you all turn to this page? Page number 90. Everyone turn to page number 90. Okay, I will ask you guys a question now. Turn to page number 90. Fast. Turn to page 90. What is atmosphere made of? Sheena, what is atmosphere made of? It's made of gases, okay? Different types of gases. B. Can someone read the question? B. Guy, can you please read question B? Hello, Guy. Okay, Aim, can you please read this question? Question B.
Okay. What keeps the atmosphere near the surface of the Earth?
Okay, what do you think it is? What is the answer here? What keeps the atmosphere near the surface of the Earth? Thank you, Aim. Yes, yes. Very good. It's the gravity, okay? The force of the gravity, it pulls the atmosphere towards it, okay? So the answer here is gravity. So the force of gravity pulls and keeps the atmosphere near the surface of the Earth. Okay, done, everyone? No, right? Online students, let me know if you're done. Finished, right? Online students, Kim, are you done? Bacon, Aim, are you guys done? Okay, I can see Aim writing. Done, Aim? Finished writing?
Yes.
All right, so I will move on to the next one, which is question C. On-site student, can you please read this question? Here in the front, can you please read question C? Louder, please. How does the atmosphere? Okay. How does the atmosphere protect us? Because the atmosphere, right? It traps the heat, okay? And keep the earth warm at night, okay? And also the shield. It's the shield that the earth, it's the shield of the earth that allow us to, okay? It's the shield of the earth that allow us, that protect us, okay? Sorry. Okay, C, write this. It's the shield of the earth that protect us from UV radiation. Finished? Okay. Question D. Panda, can you please read question D?
How does atmosphere
Atmospheric pressure.
change with the height from the atmosphere?
Okay. How does the atmospheric pressure changes with the height of the atmosphere? So the answer is the atmospheric pressure. It decreases and it can also increase with the height of the atmosphere from the earth. Okay. The atmosphere that is closest to the earth will be the warmest one. Since when it goes further away from the earth, right? The pressure will decrease here. Done? Online students, are you guys done? Bacon, are you done writing?
Yes.
Yes, right? All right. Okay. It's done next. Oh, it's in the same page. Okay. Name the layers of the Earth's atmosphere. The height of each layer is not proportional, not same here, okay? So here, A. This one is Earth, okay, everyone? Can you see this picture here? This one is Earth, okay? The one closest to the Earth will be troposphere, right? This layer will be troposphere, and then what do you think that one is? The last one is? The last layer. Exosphere, okay, very good. It's exosphere. You can look into your book. We have about 3 minutes, online students. How about B? Thermosphere. Okay, C. Okay, Mesosphere, all right? Okay. How about D, Aim? What is D, Aim? Let me ask online. What layer is it? D. It's in your book, page 89. The answers are there. Okay, what is D, online on-site students? Stratosphere, right? How about the last one? Okay, troposphere. It's from the furthest to the closest, right? Atmosphere. The layers. Please write this down, online students. We have about 1 minute. Online students, if you're done, make sure you take a picture of your book and send it in the line group, okay? It's same group as teacher CK. On site, I will check your book, okay? Online students, if you're done, take picture of your book and send it in the line group, and you may leave the class. Done? Okay, I'll stop sharing the screen because we have less than 1 minute, okay? Online students, make sure you send it in the line group, okay? And I will see you guys next Friday. Have a happy week.